Good morning, students. Today I will explain you Unit 8, Change Luck Through Hard Work. So before we start this chapter, some questions are there. You tell me, is luck related to success? Yes. Can luck alone make one successful? No. Can one succeed through hard work? Yes. Is luck more crucial than hard work? Yes. Can a failure and everything? Can a failure and everything? No. Do we have power to face failures? Yes. Can we learn anything from failures? Yes. Does success give us happiness and satisfaction? Yes. So now let me start with this story. The farmer and his three sons. The farmer and his three sons. And three sons were very lazy. Lazy and want to become rich by shortcut method. Without doing the hard work, they want to get the success and they want to become the rich person in the world. Then old man, he told them, go to the fields, dug the fields, and you will get the treasure over there. And three sons agreed to their father, and all of them went to the field and they started digging the fields. They dug each and every corner of the field. But later they didn't find anything and they came back to home and said to father, what to do? Father told, already you have ploughed all the fields, now take the seeds and sow it in the fields. And they did it. And finally, after a few months, the crop was ready and all three lazy boys were happy to see the crops, and his father told, go cut it and sell it in the market, you will get the cash. So the moral of the story is hard work is the key to success. And one thing more I want to explain you in this one, there will be no obstacles, there will be no doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work there are no limits. Sometimes we may think those who gain great things in life are luckier than many of us. But a clear view of the facts will prove that success is the result of hard work and determination. Luck has very little to do with the achievement. A building cannot rise suddenly from its foundation to roof. It must be constructed step by step. First the foundation, then the walls, and finally the roof. In short, one cannot expect to be successful in any great undertaking in few days. Secondly, we should have the willingness to work continuously for the goal. If we are ready to work hard with a plan, we can make impossible possible. If a man is determined, he can do anything. If he is not, even the ordinary work seems impossible. So there are some people who always want to achieve great thing, but they never do that because they are not able to make any sacrifice for that cause. Now, let me show you one chart. Talent, passion, work. If you have got talent, if you have got passion, if you have got work, then only you will get the success. So these are important elements of success. Next is the success indicator. One is successful people, on the other side unsuccessful people. Let me tell you who are the successful people. So this is the success indicator. You can see successful people are those who who shows gratitude, gives compliment to others, forgive others, they give credit to others, they read, they accept their mistakes, accept the responsibility, write the diary, have the ideas, share data and information, they share joy, dream big and work hard over it. Continuously they learn, embrace change, set goals and make plans. Now on the other side, unsuccessful people, those who criticize others always, blame others, watch TV, credit of others' success they want to take, fear is there, talk about other issues, overconfidence, misuse data and information, show anger, hope others fail, never set goals and hold a grudge against others. Now let me assign you the homework regarding this unit. 4 questions are there and only you have to write the answers in 1 or 2 sentences. So first question, let me tell you, what is the message of the story, The Farmer and His Lazy Sons? Message is that hard work is needed to get the success. There is no other way through which you can get the success. Similarly, true false, that you have to write it on the notebook. Please do this homework. Thanks.